Good evening to everybody at Denmark. We are here with Rasmus and his Mike and Baba's mother. Today is Rasmus' birthday. We are here to celebrate his birthday with the family over here, a small gathering over here. So we want to say hi to everybody at Denmark. Honestly, we are all happy to see our container that is coming here tomorrow morning. We thank everybody. We thank Facebook for supporting us in all this. You have done a very good party for us, so we also thank you very much. God really bless everybody. And we have another academy that is coming on. You know that we care about African football. This academy is coming on, and everybody is going to support the academy. So we thank you very much. When the project is being rolled, we want everybody to support it to have a good, successful academy here in Ghana. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Ciao. Ciao.